outlook. Okay.
I've got an outlook for y'all. So here's what you can expect heading into Valentine's Day. Maybe some sprinkles of love early on, a brighter outlook into the afternoon, and then overnight temperatures falling for you. We'll be walking on sunshine as we head into Sunday. Let me explain now. Here's looking at your weekend forecast where you get a cold front that's going to swing through the area into Saturday. Now, this is one of those tricky fronts where as it moves through, it's more so going to drop our dew point. So it's almost acting like a dry line, but it is essentially a front because look what happens to our overnight temperatures. We're going to go from 66 Saturday morning to 54 heading into Sunday morning. But temperatures in the afternoon, because that drier air comes in, brings us more sunshine after we have a cloudy start with a little bit of rain. The sunshine is really going to heat us up there with the westerly winds. We're going to get up to around 85 on Saturday, and then we'll be a little bit cooler heading into Sunday. But this isn't necessarily a strong cold front, but it is going to shift our weather in terms of clouds to sunshine. Here's a look at where we are tracking that system. We've got 3 areas of energy that we're watching. The Valentine's Day piece of energy looks to really be one of these two. They're going to kind of merge together. This is the one, though, that's going to bring us a chance of rain as we look ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, it's not a great chance of rain because watch what happens to this energy. Most of it is going to pass just north of the coastal bend. Victoria to Houston has a pretty good shot of rain. This clears out pretty quickly, and high pressure builds back into the second half of the week, which means we're going to be overall partly sunny, warm, and just continuing this fairly mild weather pattern we've had. Here comes our Valentine's Day piece of energy. That's going to move in with a better shot of giving the coastal bend some rain, but it's still not a great shot at rain. So the first system, a cold front, also is pushing south. This is that energy. It's going to race north, and as the front digs south, the timing is just not going to be in our favor. So we could have a few spotty showers along that boundary, but it does not look like much at this point in time. This front doesn't really swing through the coastal bend. It may stall and dissipate a bit. The next one is going to pass through. But remember, it kind of is originating. It's kind of mixing. There is some northern air that's going to mix in, but there's also some Pacific moisture that's going to mix in. And that Pacific moisture from the south is not that cold. But what I want to show you, here's that system. This circle is that upper level piece of energy. This is our surface low pressure system. So it's going to be a little bit out ahead of the upper level low. It's going to race out ahead. We get Saturday dry, but so heading into Saturday afternoon, a chance for a little bit of rain. Once that front swings through, we're going to turn very dry, and we're going to see sunshine on your Sunday and Monday. As I mentioned, not a ton of rain opportunities for the coastal bend. If we do see rain, it's going to be measured more so in hundredths of an inch. Your muggy meter falls on Saturday. Temperatures are going to spread out a bit more with colder overnight temperatures behind the cold front, and we'll be closer to normal, which is 51 for this time of year. Wind goes up and down. We'll have some stronger wind Friday and Saturday, but real fast tonight we're looking at a temperature of 61 degrees. Tomorrow 79. Don't forget there is a chance for some patchy fog early on. That's going to be more inland. We will see our high temperatures working their way up closer to 80 across much of the coastal bend, and in that 7-day forecast, we're going to see the hottest day, possibly Valentine's Day. It's going to depend on that cold front and how things exactly play out. Right now, it is looking rather warm.
Burn in love. I love the Valentine's graphic.
Thank you.
It's super,
That was
super
good.
cute.
Yeah.